Here's how to change app icons on Samsung. Now you'll be able to see my Samsung Galaxy just has the normal default app icons, but there are two different ways to be able to change those depending on your preference. The first way is we're going to press and hold on your phone screen somewhere that there isn't an app till you get a screen like this. Now at the very bottom, let's tap on Themes. And once you're in your Galaxy themes or your Samsung phone themes, first tap on Menu at the very bottom right, and then tap on My Stuff at the top left. You'll be able to see your downloaded themes, wallpapers, and let's go over to App Icons. Now I can switch over to Simple Black and hit Apply, and I'll show you what this looks like. However, if you don't like that, you can always just choose a different one. I'll show you how to do it. You can see it opens up this, and I don't love this because some of these app icons just look kind of funny. It has the black border around the normal icon. So let's switch to a different one. I'm going to press and hold towards the top. Again, tap on Themes. And now instead of Themes at the bottom, I'm going to choose Icons. And for icons, I usually choose Top at the very top right. And then I filter for, instead of all, just the free options. Of course, you can pay for more advanced or stylish ones that you like, but there are lots of good free options as well. You can scroll down and find any free ones that you like. This one has kind of a cool nostalgic old feel to it. And then I'm going to hit download. You'll be able to apply this just by tapping on apply. Now keep in mind, if you don't like any of these, there is another option to be able to change those app icons to be a bit different if you don't like the look and feel of any of these options. To do it, we're going to swipe up and open up your settings. Tap on settings here. And then let's swipe down until you get to wallpaper and style. Tap on that. And then tap on color palette. Now, instead of changing the look and feel of those apps, we can all have them be a certain color palette so that it looks well or looks good with your background. So I'm going to turn on color palette, and then you can see color palette options here. I can switch over to different ones that I want. And then I'm going to turn on apply palette to app icons. It will switch all of those app icons back to the default, but then apply the same color palette across all of them. So let's hit apply, and I'll show you what this looks like. Wait for it to load, and then hop out of here. And usually I find that you have to kind of do this twice, especially if you have different app icons. So I'm going to turn this off, turn it on again, and hit apply. And maybe the second time it will work. Hop out of here, and just like that, you can see all of the app icons now have a similar color that might match well, but with your background, you can see the background in the blue, all of that stuff works really well with this color palette.